This is climate change, and this is why we choose to act. Climate change happens when too much carbon dioxide traps heat in the atmosphere. This causes extreme heat, stronger floods, and unpredictable weather. But trees can help. Trees absorbs carbon dioxide, cleans the air, and make our surroundings cooler.
Why do you think climate change is happening?
For me po, climate change is really happening because of us too. Kasi hindi natin inaalagaan yung komunidad natin, and also masyado tayo makulit sa paggamit ng mga vehicles like maiitim na yung usok, pero sige pa rin na pagdadrive ng kanilang mga sasakyan. And ayun din, for me, dapat yung climate change is dapat may knowledge tayo about it, so we can avoid na mapalala pa yung pagkasira ng ating kalikasan.
What challenge do young people face when trying to help the environment?
I think one of the challenges that young people faces when helping the environment is the lack of accessibility when trying to make a solution when helping the environment. I think one of the problem is yung mga organizations din sa community natin is not very accessible para sa mga young people. May kailangan nila ng maraming requirements, which is really complex for young people these days. Yun.
How do you feel when you hear news about climate change?
Napipil ko right now is mas natutuwa ako kasi napopokusan ng news yung about the environment natin, kasi pag walang environment kasi wala rin tayo, at kaya sa next gen pag wala na yung ecosystem natin, wala na rin tayo. Yun lamang po.
You don't need big actions to make a difference. Even small steps can help protect our earth.
Planting trees in fertile lands, it cools the air with nature